Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we checked some few problems on Cauchy's root test. In the hands you can see with notes is there in your hand. Just we go for today the Alebert'S ratio test. This is everything yesterday we completed. Just you can see. Open the pen and practice. Don't see with eyes like a history. For a very short time this time explaining how to do. See what he is telling the Alebert'S. A series with positive terms u1, u2, u3, so on un. Then limit n tends to infinity un plus 1, nth plus 1 term and divided by un less than 1 means what? The series is convergent. Greater than 1 means divergent. Is equal to means fails. In this case, we can use comparative test. Note down, all of you. Copied.
1 minute, sir.
Copied, sir. Remove.
Yes.
Now you can see. Now test the convergence. Series. One first term is 1 by 1, second term is 1 by 1, 1 into 2, third term is 1 into 2. So nth term is what? 1 by 1 into 3 into n. Means that is nothing but n factorial. Un plus 1 is what? N plus 1 factorial you will get. Then you can check un plus 1 by n. What you will get? This n plus 1 factorial, how can I write actually? N plus 1 into n factorial I can write. Correct? N factorial will cancel. Balance is 1 by n plus 1. 1 by n plus 1 is what? If your upper limit is 0. Infinity plus 1 also infinity. This cancel. Balance 1 by n plus 1. If limit n tends to infinity, is what? Infinity plus 1. Infinity plus 1 or minus 1 or infinity plus 10 lakhs also infinity only. So infinity minus 10 lakhs also infinity only. Infinity plus 1 also infinity. So this become what? 0. So is equal to less than 1. So un convergent series. Copy down question fast. 1 by 2, 2 by 2 square, 3 by 2 cube, n by 2 power n. So un. So I can prepare un plus 1 is equal to what? N plus 1 by 2 to the power of n plus 1. Then un plus 1 by un we can prepare. This we can write 2 power n into 2 power 1. So 2 power 1, 2 power n cancel. That is what n plus 1 by n will be there. 1 by 2 into 2 power n, this 2 power n cancel, again 2 power 1 is there, so there is 1 by 2. N plus 1 by n. Then divide term by term. Otherwise take n common here, n common here. So what we get? 1 plus 1 by n. N will cancel. So that is equal to 1. Sorry, half this, because it's half is there. Half into 1 is half. So this is less than 1. So un is convergent. Do this problem fast. This is also same story. N square by 1 by 3 power n. But this n plus 1 whole square you will get. Carefully out. 1 by 3 will be there. So n square plus 2n plus 1 by n square means what? N square you can take common. 3 power and 3 power and cancel. This if expand means what? Now from this you can take n square common, this n square common. So 1 plus 1 by n square, 2 by n you will get. So 1 is there. 1 into 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So less than 1 is convergent. Down this question also important. Sir, complete it. Are you doing or not?
Yes, sir. Done.
So n plus 1 is correct, I can expand. That's 3 power n into 3. This 3 power n cancel. 1 by 3 into this n square is there. So you can see n plus 1, n plus 2. This you can try x to power of n. Then divide. For next one, and 1 by 1 x will be there. Then from numerator alt will take n square into n means what? You take common. You take common n cube, denominator also n cube. If you take common, what you will get? 1 you will get, but x also there. This is a very dangerous situation. Expand means what? This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this are 0, 1 by 1. This x will be there. So x, depend on x, I will decide. If x is less than 1 means what? X is greater than 1 means what? X is equal to 1 means what I want to tell. This is Vn, not Un. Vn is equal to 1 by n. So Vn is what? Divergent. In case of XSR, there is, you can think about the X also. It's very, very dangerous problems. X will be finally somewhere standing is what you can think for the X. Remaining normally you can deal with the N, no problem. N cube plus 1, 2 power n. So same story. N plus 1 whole cube will get 2 to the power of n plus 1. And divide. Taking common in one stroke. N cube if you take means what better in expanding. This 2 power and 2 power and cancel. So n cube if you take means what here also n cube if you take means what 1 plus 1 by n, here 1 by n cube. If you take means 1 plus 1 by n cube will get. This step understanding. From this time, guys, n plus 1 whole cube means what 4 terms you will get a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. That's not required. Directly I am taking here from n cube. Here also n cube. Then limit n tends to infinity means what 1 you will get. This is 1 by 2 you will get. 1 by 2. This is less than 1. So obviously you can say this is convergent. Okay, sir. Any doubt?
No, sir.
These problems, as 3, 4 problems I will do every day upload in GCR. This you should upload GCR. This problem. Just note down. Example 5 in RD Alebert'S show. This is also same story. N plus 1 factorial. This n to the power of n plus 1. Power also 1 increase. X is R means you can think for the X. X is less than 1J, divergence, X is greater. Sorry, X less than 1 means convergence, X greater than means what? Divergence like this. X is equal to 1 means what? You can go for the comparison test. This problem also you can upload in this year. First, second problem, 5 and 8. Just check. This 9 also. 5, 9, 8, 9 you can upload in this year. Alebert'S station. These are the same. X means carefully can do. X problem that about finally when X will stands. Think about the text boys. In all our brands you can check. We can go for the another test. Rabe'S test. If you are done, Rabe'S test what you will do? Limit n tends to that is u1, u2, u3, un are the positive terms. Then limit n tends to n into un by un plus 1 minus 1. Greater than means un is convergent. Less than 1 means what? Divergent is equal to 1. The test fails. Note down Rabe'S test. Copied, sir. Have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Then logarithmic test. Same thing, you will take log, you will take the log is n into even we get this one minus 1. Then log of that value. The evaluation of limit n tends to infinity becomes very difficult in Rabe'S. We can use logarithmic simplification. Rabe'S test. Let me see. Nth term maybe what will numerator is what odd terms 2n minus 1. 1 3 is even numbers 2n. Not all even terms. Last term is odd term actually. 2 means here 3. This what 2 4 means what 5 actually. 2 second that is what third term is what 2 terms are even. Then third term is odd. Fourth term is what 3 terms are even. Fourth term is odd. So similarly nth term is what sorry this is fourth term. means 3. 1, 2, 3. Second, third, fourth. Four terms are there. Then 2n over there. N is equal to 1 is 2, 3. N is 2n you will get. Fourth term. 1, 2, 3, 4. Acha. The before term, n minus 1th term actually, and 4 means 3 means what actually is what? N is equal to, you will get n minus 1 terms here. This nth term is 2n plus 1. The nth term is what? Odd number. So this is what nth term is 2n plus 1. Previous is what? Up to 2n you will have. Getting or not? So
Yes, sir.
this is actually, this thing is what? N minus 1 terms here, but 2n means don't feel this nth term. This is the nth term. So n minus 1 terms are what? 2, 3, because up to 2, this is n means what? N minus 1, because 1 missing after from second term I am starting with this. Number 2. This is what? Nth term is odd number. That series carefully can see. Getting or not? Third term is what? 3 terms will be there. Nth term, that is what? Third term is what? 2n plus 1. Suppose if you 2 put n is equal to 3 means what? 5 will get. So before that it will stop actually. Correct? And un plus 1 also can prepare like this. Then divide. Then do the minus 1. This test is what Rabe'S test is. The Alebert'S ratio. Calculate this using the random limit by Rabe'S test. The Alebert'S ratio based actually. Actually, Rabe'S test you can go directly. It's Rabe'S test is even is greater than 1 is convergent or not. He's telling Rabe'S test less than 1. Oh, greater than 1 convergent. Sorry, sir. It's not less than 1. Less than 1 means divergent. Is equal to 1 means fails. This logarithm is Rabe'S test are the same only. Greater than 1. The Alebert'S ratio is different actually. So can I have Rabe'S test convergence. Similarly, second problem also can try. 4, 7, 10. 3n plus 1 is given actually says no problem. And the term is given, so you don't worry. 4, 5, 8, 11, 3n plus 2. So un plus 1 you can prepare. So this is up to n term is what? N plus 1 term is what you can write n plus, in place of n you can write n plus 1. 3 into n plus 1 plus 1. 3 into n plus 1 plus 2. Then simplify. You will get. So this fails. Actually, no need to text at the same possibility and go for the Rabe'S test. Minus 1 means what? This will go that side. One less power will be increased n into, because this n will speaks. Then this can take. Rabe'S test what will get 1 by 3 is less than 1, so divergence. Again, x coming, very dangerous case, convergent of series. Un term is only given, we don't worry. Yes, you can prepare n plus 1. Then un plus 1, un you can prepare. About x, I want to think actually. This is if you do the Alebert'S ratio test. 1 you are getting it. Again, x, if un is convergent, x is less than 1. If we use Rabe'S test means for directly, you will get, I think so. doing divergent. Like this you can do. This you can try, at least you can tell the answer. Example 4 you can try yourself. 10 minutes. 5 minutes enough, not 10 minutes. Try all of example 4. Three into x you will get. Yeah, reverse you will get. Rabe'S test if you want. This problem is important. These types of sums are very, very important. Using ratio test, if cases, 3 cases to discuss means what they're going for Rabe'S test. Okay. Ratio test fail means a guarantee this also fail, DRMS also. So you can see this like this. How much are there? Then these all are you can do nice questions. And next, 5 power 4 x power 5 is n power n x power n by n factorial. Un plus 1 you can prepare. Hello? Class like is that? என்னவா? Hey. வரா சார் இப்பதான் அக்கா ஃபோன் பண்ணாங்க வர சொன்னாங்க எதுக்கோ தெரியல. இல்ல ஆமா ஆமா பெண்ணு கொடுக்கறது நினைக்கிறேன். அதுக்கு நான் வந்து வாங்குறேன் வந்து வரக்கூடாதுங்க. ரைட் ரைட் ஓகே. This problem you see this one. Case fails. Go for the logarithmic. So you can do like this. Problems you can check. If I can solve over. Next class onwards, we have to upload. In previous class, I will tell you. Alternative series is the next class we do. Only 1 bar, 2 bars enough. Okay. Now I will stop here. Give what means from where? 71, huh?
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
72. 73.
Present, sir.
74. 75.
Present, sir.
76. 77. 78.
Present, sir.
79. 79. 80.
Present, sir.
81. 82.
Present, sir.
83.
Present, sir.
72.
Present, sir.
Wait, sir. 72 if you come in between. 84. 85.
Present, sir.
86. 87. 88. 89. 90.
90 present, sir.
91.
91 present, sir.
92.
Present, sir.
93.
Present, sir.
94.
Present, sir.
95. 96.
Present, sir.
97.
Present, sir.
98.
Present, sir.
99. 100.
Present, sir.
101.
Present, sir.
102.
Present, sir.
103. 104.
Present, sir.
105. 106.
Present, sir.
107.
Present, sir.
108.
Present, sir.
108 present. 109.
Present, sir.
110. 111. 112.
112 present, sir.
113. 114.
Present, sir.
115.
Present, sir.
116.
Present, sir.
123.
Present, sir.
124.
Present, sir.
25. 125. 126. 126. 5401.
Present, sir.
2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6. 7.
Sir,
8.
6 is there.
7. 8.
8 present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12. 13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17. 18.
Present, sir. 17 present, sir.
18. 19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21.
Sir.
21.
18 present.
Yes, yes. 21. 22.
Present, sir.
23.
Yes, sir.
24. 25. 26.
Present, sir.
27. 28.
28 present, sir.
29.
29 present, sir.
30.
30 present, sir.
31.
31 present, sir.
31 is last number, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So, the options are 74, 76, 77, 79, 81, 84, 86, 87, 88, 89, 95, 103, 105, 110, 111, 113, 126. 540.
74 present, sir.
Then 5401.
126%, sir.
1
126%, sir.
Yesterday also not given when I'm calling actually. What happened? I don't know. Then 5401 series 12, 24, 25, 27. Again I'm reading 76, 77, 79, 81, 84, 86, 87, 88, 89, 95, 103, 105, 110, 111, 113, 12, 24, 25, 27. Anyone is there? Okay. Then you can, I will give you some example numbers. I will know classroom. Just you can upload the sums actually. Next class I will check all of you one by one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you can
Okay,
give.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.